Oh, you're going to fine. So, my webcam is being a douchebag. I was gonna make a singing cover for y'all, but now I can't, because my webcam is being a douchebag. But I will tell you that I read the pocket and getting an ukulele. In October for this child's birthday. And I can't fucking wait. I'm getting cable tomorrow. So my guitars that I have at the moment can sound like one for the moment. I don't even have an acoustic. I can't book it. Don't ask how. What just happens? But I will show you my guitars that I have right now. Okay, you see them all the way over in that corner there next to that amp and the TV that is metal right. No, it's not like that's a screen. Okay. But yes, the red one is mainly for metal music-ish, and the orangish Sundays one is supposed to be for like more, I shouldn't say alternative, but less heavier music, like for Paramore kind of music. So yeah, I have them, and they are also named. I named them. The orange one is Baby, because that's my first name. That's the first guitar I got. And the red one's Rocks, because I just have. So yeah, those are my two children sitting in the corner over there. That's almost dirty close. Anyway. Okay. So yeah, I'm trying to learn desperately. And I can play a little bit. Like I know G and E minor from treble. Trying to learn that. So I'll be getting covers up as soon as I get into the room. See you. Bye. How are